Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best mini trampolines that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Stamina Folding Trampoline. With over 3,800 purchased since 2019, the Stamina is your most sold fitness trampoline by a long shot. The Stamina's affordability is certainly one reason for its popularity. It's the least expensive trampoline on this list. But it's still durable, compact, and easy to use, making it a good all-around starter trampoline. It has a sturdy steel frame, a heavy-duty rebounding surface that can support up to 250 pounds, and 30 resistance bands for a strong, supportive bounce, and a quieter workout than you'd get with metal springs. Beginners and apartment dwellers will appreciate that, at 36 inches, it doesn't take up much floor space, but it folds down so you can store it almost anywhere when you're not using it, and it only weighs 14 pounds, so it's easy to move. It's widely available, too, and well-reviewed on every site where it's sold. On both Amazon and Target, about 70% of reviewers give it a 5-star rating. Moving on at number 4, we have Darchin Foldable Mini Trampoline. Whether you're buying a fitness trampoline for a kid or you just want an option with extra safety and stability for yourself, consider this trampoline with a handle. It has 4 levels of adjustments, from 32 inches to 40 inches, so you can easily set it to fit your height and activity type. The adjustable knob makes it easy to move, and the padded foam top makes it even safer for kids and adults alike. Your readers bought it nearly 1,600 times since 2019, making it your second most sold item on this list. The trampoline is a bestseller on Amazon, too, with nearly 5,000 5-star reviews. Its high-strength springs are made with 3M, thick stainless steel, so it's built to last, and indeed, it can hold up to 330 pounds. At number 3, we have Sport Plus Silent Fitness Trampoline. If you live in an apartment or just want a quiet rebounding workout, springs may be a little too squeaky for you. And while a few other trampolines on this list are made with quieter resistance bands, this Sports Plus mini trampoline is made with bungee cords to ensure a near-silent experience. The bungees themselves are made of high-quality rubber to ensure they hold up to heavy use, and that makes them more durable than thinner resistance bands. In fact, the brand notes the cords are so strong, you may need 2 people to assemble the trampoline, as the cords can be difficult to tighten. But once assembled, reviewers agree the trampoline is in fact quiet and strong. Many of the over 1,700 Amazon reviewers who have given the trampoline 5 stars note that it's not the easiest trampoline to assemble, but once it's built, it's quiet to use and a great piece of equipment. At number 2, we have Darchin Mini Trampoline. With a 450-pound weight capacity, this is the most inclusive rebounder on your list. It's made with strong steel legs and bungees for optimal support. During testing, your tester was shocked at how lightweight the product is, considering its heavy-duty design and durability. This Darchin rebounder is both joyously bouncy and reliably sturdy, earning a perfect score of 5 out of 5 in bounce and stability. It provided your tester with full confidence throughout the circuit. It's not foldable, but your tester liked its lightweight portability, recommending it for those with a home gym. And finally at number 1. Maximus Pro Folding Rebounder. The Maximus Pro Folding Rebounder is not the most high-quality pick on your list, but it does include additional equipment, such as resistance bands, sand weights, a jump count recorder, and online workout videos. The resistance bands are great for weighted squats or arm exercises such as bicep curls and tricep extensions. It's completely foldable and comes with a handy carry case for easy storage portability. Your tester liked that it was super bouncy but noted the unstable handlebar and wobbly legs. This rebounder earned a score of 4 out of 5 for bounce and overall value. The established worldwide Maximus Life Fitness Company was started by James Winfield, sports scientist and health practitioner, and business and technology design expert Heather Moore. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.